Here's the app called Layout, Photo Collage Maker, Grid Templates, Design Editor. So I can just tap Get to install it. So yeah, here is the app. 500 plus layouts for Instagram. It's super viral app. It's constantly in the top charts of graphics and design in the US App Store. So this app has super easy, simple functionality. If you just want to create a collage, and that's it, and it has all these amazing templates, not just like four squares or two photos divided. It has all these advanced templates which you can use. Super easy to get started. So then yeah, you can just open it up, and then you can leave a review, and then you can edit videos. And then here is how your free trial works. You can give access, and there are some layouts. And for example, you can start some basic ones. I don't have a lot of photos. So for example, I can select, all right, let's just select nature. So for example, let's select two photos, and this is how it can look like. You can hold and swap to reorder. You can select stuff like that. There are some premium templates, as you can see, which are more advanced. You can change aspect ratio, then stuff like that. Then you can just reorder it, move it around. So, and then freestyle, you can then just again select two photos. And then, yeah, then there is free trial, 7-day free trial, then $5 per month. And then there are projects which you can add their how to, and then you can just tap plus to create 7-day free trial. That's it. Carousels, Instagram grid, video editor as well. So super powerful app, as you can see, and very easy to use. It's a rare combination. So definitely try out this app. Pretty cool. So again, this is called Layout Photo Collage Maker by Fitness Labs. So this company built like bunch of other apps, but this is their most successful app. So definitely get it out. And it's called Photo Collage Maker. It's not Layout for Instagram. That's a different app which seems to be less popular. So that's the idea.